Learn English slang, bitchbot. The term bitch is a slang word that has various meanings and can be considered offensive or derogatory in some contexts. It's essential to use this word with caution and be aware of its potential to offend or disrespect others. Here are a few ways the word bitch is commonly used in slang. Female dog. In its literal sense, bitch refers to a female dog. This usage is not considered offensive. Derogatory term. Unfortunately, bitch is often used as a derogatory term to insult or belittle someone, usually a woman. When used this way, it is offensive and disrespectful. Expression of frustration or anger. Some people use bitch as an exclamation when expressing frustration, annoyance, or anger about a situation. For example, this traffic is such a bitch. Friendly banter among friends. In some cases, close friends may use the word bitch in a playful or joking manner. However, it's essential to be sensitive to the feelings of others and avoid using it in a way that might be hurtful. Given its potential to offend and the fact that it's generally considered impolite, it's advisable to exercise caution and avoid using the term bitch in most situations. Using respectful and appropriate language is a better choice when communicating with others.